Now, let you understand these 2-3 things about the physical body. First thing, always try to keep your body in easiness and try to avoid these tight clothings. The tight, I am sometimes surprised, how are you all still alive wearing all these clothes? Really, this 2-piece itself sometimes looks too much for me. This 2-piece itself sometimes looks too much for me. And so much of tight clothings. At least when you are in your room, when you are in your house, try to wear the long pieces. These all will help you to keep your body alive, to keep your body more sensitive, to keep your body more fresh, or what to say, more alive. Alive is the right word. Sajiva means the more living. More you press your body with too much of clothes, too much of tight clothing especially, the more your boundary will be felt. The more you are feeling the boundary, more possibility for diseases. So try your best whenever you are alone in your house, try to wear the long single piece of clothes. These are few things which you can use it, do it in your practical life, which can improve a lot in your consciousness. Because you do not, you see, because you wear the clothes regularly, the same type of clothes, you forget what it does to your body. You forget the effects of it on your body. Only when you live with this type of clothes, you will understand how free it is and how it is to feel with this type of clothes. All these things helps consciousness. That which is not tight, which is not holding your body, always gives a freshness or aliveness to your body. Keep your body as easily, as comfortably as possible in all your lifestyle. Your body has got its own intelligence, natural intelligence. Listen to that. Next, let us enter into the meditation technique to bring your body to the maximum tension. 2 things we are going to do. One is step by step, step by step, step by step. From leg, I will guide you. From feet, step by step, we will bring it to the peak tension. And the next, after finishing the head, next again you will come down by bringing your every particle of your body to life. One more thing you should understand. Your body has got its own intelligence, natural intelligence, the inbuilt intelligence. You have never awakened that intelligence. When you tense and go to the top, you remove the toxins and create the maximum pressure to remove the toxins. When you come down, every part, feel that part is individually breathing. Actually, you breathe throughout your body, not through nose. Through nose, you take the air. Through the whole body, you take the prana. Understand? Through nose, you take the air. Throughout the body, you take the prana. Prana is not air. Prana is the energy which goes through air. So, step by step, feel every part of your body is individually breathing. Through this way, you can make your body more alive and more sensitive, more vibrant, more the body is vibrant, easy to leave it. If you are living with your body totally, you can leave your body easily. It's like handling the kerchief. If the kerchief is tied to your hand, you can neither leave it, you can neither enjoy it totally, nor you can leave it. You can neither live nor leave. So now with this technique, the very technique, of course, I am going to guide you. The very intensity itself is enough to create that program in you. But you please also put your energy. Actually, physically being in my presence and doing this itself is enough to create the program in your physical system. But you also put your whole energy so that we will go step by step deeply into the meditations. This is a very preliminary first level technique. One thing mainly I want you to understand, put the whole effort and do it. Before that, we are going to have a small meditation, a group Mahamantra. This is actually a long technique. The technique for the physical body, is the tensing of the whole body and making a memory. Before that, a small technique to create the intense energy so that this technique can work in you. To create an intense group consciousness by doing a group Mahamantra. It's almost like Mahamantra, but only one or two differences. That group Mahamantra. Then you will be entering into the physical level body technique. Group Mahamantra is first 10 minutes. You will all sit with the hands held with each other like a round circle. Let me finish instructing. Then after that you will just relax for 5 minutes. Then afterwards only we will enter into the physical level technique. Physical body technique. The physical body technique is tensing your whole body step by step, as if they are bursting. Tense it to the maximum level, as if you are dying. Burst. Feel that if you tense little more, you will burst. That much. Tense it internally by mind. Give maximum pressure. Step by step. And when you finish the head, when you come down, you will relax totally and feel that portion is separately breathing. It is inhaling and exhaling. It is inhaling and exhaling. Head separately. Then when it comes to eyes separately. When it comes to the ears separately. When it comes to the nose separately. Feel every part of the body is breathing, inhaling and exhaling separately. Throughout, step by step, we will come down. These are the two levels of techniques which we are going to do. Then next level onwards, we will be working on the subconscious. Now we are working just on the physical level. That's why the techniques are very simple. Next level onwards, we are going to work on the subconscious level. Start humming. Start intensely, as loudly as possible, the humming. Start the humming as intensely as possible, as loudly as possible. eyes be closed. You can open your eyes and relax.